Digital Twin and Smart Manufacturing Summit. We had a lot of good speakers out there talking about visionary topics, but also in between at the coffee breaks, and so we had really deep and good discussions. So I would encourage everyone to join.
It's a wonderful conference, especially that you get to meet many like-minded people from various industries, various consulting organizations, academics, as well as technological institutes like Fraunhofer. I personally enjoyed this event. I got a good opportunity to network with many SMEs, software companies, as well as just the enthusiast people.